Alright, trade recap time for last night where we had a break even. Pretty retarded, because it easily could have been a win. Just it was too fucking pussy. So yesterday, coming into session, it was pretty mid-ish. This accumulation was kind of piss poor. It was mid. The manipulation just wasn't on, so we weren't going off the power of 3 right there. And then what we had coming into session on the high time frame is we'd taken this topside sweep here, taken a lot of highs, like a lot of highs, taking a bunch of highs. Come on, motherfucker. As with ES, it actually got to the top here, so expecting a bit of bearish reaction from that, and we were still on that bearish move. We'd already taken this low and reacted not like that crazily. Upon market open, we were taking that low pretty much. But so coming in, we'd seen I was bearish just because we'd had this topside sweep. ES had taken it all. At least market open was here. At least we were going to come down to these lows even lower, which we did go lower. Right. So what happened is we saw 1 hour gap here was fulfilled. 1 hour gap here, tapped, respected just before open. Then coming down to open, we had 5-minute or 15-minute divergence happen inside the gap as it's been filled. And then this retracement here was just the retracement back into this 5 gap. This 5 gap here, which was respected beautifully. This 5 gap here. As soon as we hopped on, when price was like down here, we saw this. I saw this happening, so I was like, "Oh fuck, we're short. Like it's time to go." Because just before open as well, like on open, we'd had price take this little low here, and the reaction bullish gave it that move back into here. Because from this reaction, when it took this low here, the reaction bullish, I was looking for a divergence topside. But then I'd seen we'd already had the divergence, and this was just the retracement. So we hit that shit. We were in there, and then we had 1-minute gap fulfillment here. I also took it on ES just because I thought it was a bit better. But I was also waiting for 1-minute gap break. Loki should have just got in right here, which would have been the earlier candle here on ES, but waited for the 1-minute gap break where the fucking candle dumped, and then I was like, fuck, I gotta get in, I'm not missing this shit. So I hopped in, stops above this 1-minute imbalance here, which made stops shitty as fuck. But it's okay. I could have had him here, but then I knew, like, because in the Discord, I also called it that price would come and retap this 1 minute before coming bearish, but I moved stops preemptively just because I was scared, which is fucking retarded. So I got stopped at break even on this move here. But the move, which I should have done, I was literally thinking about it. Entry here, and then as price comes bearish, and we move away from this 1-minute gap, down to here, or even down to like above the gap, which that's like, you know, the gap's here or something, but we probably would have just gone here. And then as it hits this gap, scale in for another position short, which was the strat. But it's not okay. I should have fucking been in it. I should have been in it and holding it. Like had the analysis down perfect, was in that perfectly. Should have been in it. Should have been confident. It's alright though. We're on this shit. We're on this shit. But that was that. That was a break even. Should have been a win. It's okay. Well, it's not okay. But I'm getting on top of that. I'm gonna next one. We're fucking. Next one's got. It's on. Next one's on.